Kegusinigong logoiwek chetinye gei ak somanet ole kakomongei katuiyetabgei nebo konetik nebo naat akoboiboenji kakwautiet nebo Ministry nebo somanet nebo kowek chepkondok kitito bilion 10 koitita Commission netelelchin siretab konetik en emoni noton ko Teacher Service Commission kobun sirindet nebo katuiyonoton nebo naat Collins Oyuo komwa kole wendi noton kokere ole kakimuch kesir konetik kitito 46,000 en emet komugul ole kasom konetik kosich muitaet en kasarta netesetai serikalitab emoni kosuldoen koyonchinet anan CBA noton nekimuch kosirchin nebo kenyitab 2021 kenyitab 2025.
Our concerns, which were also the concerns of the Education Committee, was about the reduction of the 10.3 billion of the TSC budget. Now, this would have meant that TSC would only be allowed to pay salaries alone, and much of what was expected, and especially the implementation of the second phase of the amended CBA 2021-2025, teachers were going to get nothing. On the same, the medical cover for teachers, that the third phase of the medical cover was to go. That is by December. And again on the same, this reduction would adversely affect the employment of more teachers. And the worst part of it is the fact that the confirmation of the 46,000 interns would be nowhere.